this direction over the past 24 hours. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the Zapad group of forces artillery has hit enemy manpower close to Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Granikovka, Sinkovka and Timkovka in Kharkov region. Up to 40 Ukrainian servicemen and 2 motor vehicles were hit in this direction over the past 24 hours. In the Krasny Liman direction, missile troops and artillery of the Center group of forces have inflicted fire damage on enemy units close to Ampolovka, Krasny Liman, Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy's losses in this direction during the day amounted to 120 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks, 1 D-30 howitzer, and 1 US-made M777 artillery system. In total, 400 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,373 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,249 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,315 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,830 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!